YouTube, what it do? This video is about bike racks. What's the best one out there and how to install it? Da 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 da. Ah man, forget all that shit. Here goes the best way that I found. Run down to Home Depot. You're gonna pick you up some of these Everbuilt 30-pound bike racks. Oh well, if your bike weighs more than 30, like mine's probably weigh about 35 to 40 pounds. Well, then we'll see. But anyway, do at your own risk. I'm just here to show you how to install it. As you see, I got mine's hanging. And here goes the bike rack, which comes with two sets of screws. The things you'll need is a measuring tape, your screwdriver, maybe a drill bit, and your screw to run it in there. So first thing you want to do is find your studs. I already pre-drilled one hole, and then just so this video won't take forever. But if you notice, these little dots are cover-ups, and you'll see a strip of plaster because we're in a garage, and they kind of poorly put these together, but you can sort of see where the studs are through the paint. And you can see another one running down that way and that way. So make sure they're in the studs. After that, you want to measure, how much off the wall you want it to be. So, for example, if I was doing this bike, you want to measure from your tire to the axle. And then that's where you put the middle of your hook. So you get approximately, off the wall as much as you want. So we're gonna mount this bike now, and I'll show you guys how to do it. So measure this is about 13 and a half, 14 inches. I already have it pre-drilled, so let's just finish up and I'll show you how easy this is and save you guys a bunch of money. These things were from Home Depot. I think they're like $5 and some change a piece. So you can mount them vertically, you can hang your bike. I can buy 2 per bike and have one over here and have the bike completely upside down. But for now, we're just gonna hang them. So let's finish this install real quick and show you guys the final result. So I got one pre-drilled. I'm gonna do the other one really quick. Just kind of line it up on the stud. And you're in the stud when you can smell wood. So let's get these mounted. And that is it, my friend. So let me move this ladder and bring in the bike. Let me just move y'all real quick. Hold up, gotta get my grip right. Now you just have to figure out how to do this consistently. All right, there we go. Whew. All right. That one is up there. Now that one is a little tricky. I might have to get used to that. The reason why is because out of all three bikes, this one has the biggest tires. These are 2.8 widths on some 26-inch rims. These are 2.4 or 2.3 on 26 rims. And then this is like a basic Kmart bullshit. So basically I got, and you can see the clearance. So yeah, definitely these 2.8s is maxing it out, but maybe I just need to do it a couple times and I'll get the hang of it. So to me, this is the best bike rack for the money. And then you can see the geometry on the three bikes. And that's why other bike racks kind of didn't work, because not two bikes are the same. And you can definitely see the black downhill bike is a lot longer than the other ones. So, but yeah, mounted three bikes for under 20 bucks, actually around the $15 mark. So, oh, also bike hitch. If you look at these mounts, these are like some cheap, I think $3 mounts. These are going straight into the drywall. Definitely use the right anchors for that, because this is at least, 40 pounds or so. But have the bike rack on the wall, bikes are on the wall, and I love it. So yeah, let me know what y'all think. And remember, almost forgot, 86 got your fix.